guys, welcome back to my channel, The Homestead. My name is Lexi if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the things that I like to prep ahead of time for my sourdough microbakery to make my life a little easier. I have two events coming up back to back. I'm not doing the farmer's market this year, which is fine. That was fun last year. It was a lot. It was every Friday. This event is only once a month, which will be a lot nicer because my toddler is getting really hard. So it'll be good to have a little extra time. Then of course I can still do my porch pickup orders. And then the week after that is a little pop-up that I'm going to. So I want to have a ton of stuff ready because markets tend to be very busy for me and I want to have enough stuff for everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you jam, my beeswax bread bags, vanilla, I'm packaging up my soap. This is my first time making soap, and to my granola. All of these things are mostly non-perishable. Obviously, granola and jam will eventually go bad, but they're not going to go bad within the amount of time that I'm going to be selling them. Whereas the bread, I have to make that. Obviously, I have to start making that a few days before the market. But this I can have done and ready to go. I got some of my bread bags done. I made 18, but I only had enough beeswax for 7 of them. Hopefully I can go get more beeswax this weekend and finish the rest of them, but I'm happy that I got at least one of each of them done to show you today. But if any of this interests you and you would like to see how I prep, package, and get everything ready to go for my sourdough microbakery, then please keep watching. Yesterday I printed out all my labels. I use my Cricut to print my labels, and so it definitely takes me a minute to print them. I know I could just get a thermal printer, but thermal printers only print in black, and I like the fact that my labels stand out. They have multiple colors in them. I think it kind of like sets me apart from everybody else, and so that's how I choose to do it. I have a ton of videos going over pretty much all of this stuff in depth that I'm going to link up above for you. First thing I'm going to work on is jam. I'm going to be making a strawberry rhubarb, maybe a strawberry and a blueberry jam. If you are interested at all in getting into canning, I highly recommend this cookbook. It's the Ball Complete Book of Home Preserving. This book is amazing. It goes over water bath canning, pressure canning, pretty much everything. As you can see, I love it. I use it for all of my canning. I'm gonna have this linked in my Amazon storefront under Canning Essentials, I think it's called. If you're interested, I highly recommend you pick this up. I've got my jars in the dishwasher, getting it nice and hot. I'm going to now prep all of my fruit for the jam. I am going to start with the strawberry jam. Okay, so now that I'm looking, I don't think I have enough boxes of pectin to do everything. You'd think I would think these things through. So I'm gonna do the strawberry right now, and then I'll decide what I wanna do after that. How funny, I didn't even realize I was wearing my Jesus is my jam shirt on the day I'm making jam. I didn't even plan that. Okay guys, and that's a wrap. I got everything done. Got my jams. I don't even know how many I have here. I have 46 jams ready to go. 7 bread bags. Like I told you in the beginning, I didn't have enough beeswax to do all of them, but hopefully I'll get that done before the event. I have my vanilla, my soap, and my granola. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me and making all these goodies. I'm gonna try to film a video of both of those markets, so keep your eye out for that. Don't forget, Jesus loves you, and until the next one, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.